Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this face, Nomita face from Doraemon. This is Nobita face from Doraemon. So let's model this today in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the image I was using. This was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This was the reference, and this is our model. If you have more time, you can color the lips also little bit. So this is Nomita from Doraemon cartoon. This is Nomita from Doraemon cartoon. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.